Black Shark 2 has arrived in India. Armed to the teeth with the latest hardware, this is a gaming phone that's here to take on the OnePlus 7 Pro and other flagships. Smartphone gaming in India is expected to become a huge market, and that is expected to generate over $1 billion in revenues in the next 5 years. The Black Shark 2 joins the Asus ROG phone and the Nubia Red Magic as competitors, but its real competition really is the OnePlus 7 Pro. The Black Shark 2 launched at Rs 39,999 for the 6GB plus 128GB variant, while the 12GB RAM with 256GB of storage will retail for Rs 49,999. This price point should make OnePlus a little uncomfortable. The phone itself looks like a gaming phone through and through. It has a bold, rugged design that gives a good grip when you are holding it in landscape mode. There's support for attaching not one but two controllers that's attached to the body using magnetic pogo pins and Bluetooth. As you can see, it does require the player to get used to the settings, but it does respond quickly enough. Then you can also attach the Black Shark 2 to a big screen using the HDMI cable and use a controller to play without using the phone. This also allows for multiplayer gaming. Furthermore, the Black Shark 2 can become a good streaming device by just attaching the USB cable to the laptop and using the bundle software to stream games without a hitch. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. Inside, there's a dedicated Shark space that keeps your games optimized. Then there's the Ludicrous Mode that opens up the CPU to be fully utilized while gaming. Black Shark has also put a lot of thought to the design. There's an X-shaped antenna which is made so that there's no drop in signal even when your palms are covering the antennas on the edges. Finally, there's an RGB lit S sign along with RGB strips on the edges, completing the gaming look of the phone. Now let's glance through the specs. There's the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Now powering it all is a 4000 mAh battery with 27 watts quick charging support. The display is a 6.3-inch AMOLED with FHD plus resolution. It's also HDR plus certified and can convert SDR videos to HDR. Moreover, the screen has specific pressure sensitive areas that you can use to your advantage while gaming. It works similar to Apple's 3D Touch but covers more area and is completely customizable. Now we are surely excited to have the Black Shark 2 in our labs. The set of features should make any smartphone gamer happy, but whether everything works as promised is something we will be able to answer after spending some hours gaming on this phone. So tell us your favorite feature from the phone and let us know the games you want us to play on this in the comment section below. And for more videos like this, stay tuned to digit.in.